Now we will discuss next category of soup, that is thick soup. Under thick soup we will discuss what do we mean by cream soups. Cream soups are basically puree of main ingredient which are thickened with white sauce and finished with cream and butter. So let us see what type of cream soups can be prepared. Here we are going to prepare two cream soups. One is cream of tomato soup and one is cream of spinach soup. So first of all we will blanch the spinach and we will blanch the tomatoes. Here you can see water is boiled. Now into boiled water we are going to add little bit of salt. We may add little bit of soda to retain the green color of the spinach. Add spinach which need to be cleaned first. For blanching tomatoes you can see water is boiled. Now first we will prepare tomatoes. Remove the eye. Make a plus sign at the bottom of the tomato and then add tomatoes. Blanch it just for 2 minutes. As you can see 2 minutes are over. Now we will strain the spinach. While straining spinach we need to reserve its stalk. As you can see tomatoes are blanched. Skin is also come out from the tomatoes. Now we will strain it. We will refresh it. As you can see, we need to remove the skin from the tomatoes. Deseed it. We will roughly chop these tomatoes. Add oil, onions, garlic. Then add little bit of carrots. Just few carrots we require. Bay leaf, few peppercorns. Add tomatoes. Saute for a couple of minutes. Add tomato puree and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add stock. Then we will boil this and simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes. Meantime, we will prepare a puree of spinach for cream of spinach soup. We will strain the tomato stock also. Mash all this mixture nicely. Our both purees are ready, that is tomato puree, spinach puree. Now we will start with the preparation of cream soups. For preparing cream soups, we require puree of main ingredient, white sauce, seasoning, that is salt and white pepper powder, and we require enriching agent, that is cream and butter. So let us see how cream soups are prepared. Take a puree in the vessel. Add some stock in the spinach puree. Our stocks are boiled. Now we will add white sauce into it. Just add the required quantity of white stock and then gradually whisk it. Our soup is ready. Now we will strain it. Add seasoning, salt, white pepper powder, just add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cream. Just lightly mix the mixture. Serve hot, garnish with croutons. You can see the consistency of the soup. See the consistency of tomato soup and color. It should be orange red in color. Now we will be preparing puree soups. Puree soups are those soups which are prepared with puree of main ingredient which are thickened with starches. Starches we can use potato or we can use refined flour based starches. So the example of puree soups are green peas soup, garbanzo soup, haricot bean soup, lentil soups. So under this we are going to prepare today lentil soup. So let us discuss the ingredients required to prepare lentil soup. To prepare lentil soup we require lentil, little bit of garlic, few vegetables like onion, celery and carrot, just enough to give little flavor to the lentil. Then we have seasoning like salt and white pepper powder. We have little bit roux just to give a thickening power to the soup, and we are going to enrich soup with butter and cream. First we will soak dal with the water for half an hour. We will boil dal with vegetables. Boil dal for 20 to 30 minutes till your dal becomes soft. You can see dal is boiled. Now we will simmer it. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes till your dal gets slightly soft. Remove scum which is floating on top. Our dal is ready. Now we will strain the mixture. Reserve the lentil stock. Now we will make a puree of this lentil inside in the mixer. Our puree is ready, which is done in the mixer. Now into it we will add reserve stock of dal and we will allow to boil and then let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of roux just to give little bit thickening power to the soup, and it will other all liquid. Mix it very nicely so that there should not be any lump of roux inside into the lentil mixture. As you can see, soup is ready. You can see the consistency of soup also. Now into this we will add seasoning and butter and cream. Add salt, white pepper powder, mix it nicely, add 1 teaspoon of butter and little bit of cream. Whisk it nicely. Our lentil soup is ready. Now we will take it out. As you can see, there is a little difference between cream type of soup and puree soups. Puree soups are little coarser than cream soups. They are not as smooth as cream type of soup. Both are garnished with croutons. We will be preparing veloute soup. Veloute is basically a mixture of stock and blonde roux. There are many different types of veloutes are there, like almond veloute, celery veloute, chicken veloute, prawn veloute, which are basically prepared with the puree of main ingredient, which are added with basic veloute and finished with little bit of stock, seasoning and enriching agents. So in today's recipe, we are going to prepare chicken veloute. So let us discuss the ingredients required to prepare chicken veloute. We have basic chicken stock, blonde roux. We require a seasoning. We are going to make lyozao with egg yolk and cream. Butter we have having for the taste, and we are going to add boiled chicken cubes as a garnish. So let us see the preparation. First, take chicken stock in a pan, allow it to boil, then add blonde roux into it and mix it very vigorously, ensuring that there should be no any lumps formed in the veloute. Allow it to simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove any scum which is floating on the top. As you can see, veloute is almost ready. Now into this we will add seasoning and lyozao. We will turn up the flame. Add seasoning, salt, white pepper powder. Whisk it nicely. Add little bit of lyozao, little bit of butter, and whisk it nicely. Now we will serve it. Take boiled chicken cube pieces in a bowl and add veloute.